Drought has become an immense issue in recent years. The three types are meteorological, agricultural, and hydrological. The continental northwest of the United States has been affected a lot in recent years, especially the Olympic National Park and Seattle region in Washington. Climate change has disturbed the natural ecological system of the area. Not only has the change been due to anthropogenic issues, but also natural ones. This area 10 years ago had an average rating of very moist to extremely moist, which is 3 inches or more of precipitation according to the Palmer Drought Severity Index from the NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The park region is especially vulnerable because of long-term trends in stream flow have seen declines due to the fact that temperatures are lowering and so are the westerly winds. The environmental changes that will occur from this are fluctuating precipitation and major hydrological drought in the national park and surrounding areas. Also, with such severe droughts in the U.S., Drought Monitor shows it impacting communities in the form of the crops, causing water shortages and opening up the possibility of imposing water restrictions, not to mention the effects on their large-scale irrigation projects. Currently, the Pacific Northwest Drought Early Warning System in that region might help find solutions to these issues, as it is their most important project right now, according to the National Integrated Drought Information System.